Okay, so this one is the cat to cow. It's a good shoulder and upper back mobility exercise. So what we're going to get you to do is come down on the tabletop position like this. So you want your knees stacked under your hips and your hands under your shoulders. What I'm going to get you to do is pretend you have a bikini strap there. Sorry if you're a guy, but this is the best description for it. And you're trying to push your bikini strap up to the ceiling. And bring your pelvis in with it. And then bring your shoulders up and your head up. Elongate your spine. Then tuck it in. Bring your upper back in. And then bring your chest out and your upper back down and shoulders retracted. Watch how my hip moves. In as I go up, and then back as I go down. That's the cat to cow.